Hey all, Coop here again with another hopefully quick show-off video of some of the new stuff I've put in my zombie shooter project thing. There's quite a few changes, but the ones that I'd like to show here would be that the game now has some sound in it, so some audio clips. I've given the player a better inventory with 4 different things in it: ammo, health, food and scrap. I've changed the way they pick up items as well, that's pretty cool. I've put in a day and night system and lighting. I'll run you through that one, you'll see it changing. And coolest of all, I've put in some non-zombie, so some other civilians, I guess, NPCs into the world, and given them some AI so they run around and do different things. You'll also notice I've done a little bit of world building, so there's a pretty cool little park here to run around in. I'm hoping this is one of many tiles. You can see here I'm building some smaller ones. And yeah, once again, the pathfinding was provided by the A-Star Pathfinding Project. The awesome, cool little blocky assets you're seeing here are the simple assets by Cinti Studios, I think that's how you say it. And I've included a link to all the sounds that I've used in the game. Yeah, links for all that are in the description. So yeah, without stuffing around too much longer, I'll get into it and show you how some of this stuff relates to the way you play the game, and then I might be able to show you the way the AI works as well, because yeah, I think that's really cool. So yeah, I'll get it going. So yeah, once again, that top-down perspective, rotatable camera, etc. Some lootable containers here, bins. If I loot one of them, you'll see some ammo pops out. After a few seconds, it should come to the player, and you'll pick it up with a nice cool sound playing there to say that you have. You can see one of the NPCs up here. I'll show them off a bit later. If we just go to another container, I'll show that picking up of items. You can see the inventory up here. Still working on the GUI. Doesn't look great, but you get it. You get the idea. Same goes for food. Picks that one up. Woo! And we can shoot some zombies now. Oh yeah. Could. If I could hit them. The machine gun. Oop. And there's the day-night cycle doing its thing. I love the night. Awesome. And if we run out of ammo, yeah, cool. And all the I've changed the way the blood cubes work a bit. I think it's pretty cool. Not only that, the player's got a torch they can use. Quite like the way that works. But yeah, the day-night cycle at the moment set to 5 minutes for a full 24-hour rotation. So day lasts about 2.5 minutes, night the same. Obviously that'll take a bit longer. Yeah, so what I might do, I'll get the player out of the road, just so none of the zombies kill him while he's not around, because that's also a thing that can happen now. Not much happens if you die, you just get a little pop-up asking to restart the scene, and the player character gets destroyed. Cool, so turn that off. Just get back out of full screen mode, and I'll get into the scene. You can just see what's going on here. There's still a few glitches with some of the pathfinding and the way it collides with objects, so this unfortunately happens a little bit. Something I am trying to sort out. Yeah, so this is one of the NPCs. Hopefully another one's spawned by now. There he is. We might follow this guy around instead. Currently, the NPCs, when they spawn, they have a limited amount of ammo on them. All of them can shoot currently. If they don't have the maximum amount of ammo, which is like 250 or something, They'll walk around looking for containers. If they get to one, they'll loot it, which resets the spawn timer. If they encounter a zombie, they'll generally shoot it. Now the sounds, whoop, and as you can see, the zombies can kill them too. They also work like the player. If they shoot, they will attract the horde. It's quite a massive radius. Probably needs a bit of tweaking, but it doesn't matter too much though. I'm hoping the game world will be significantly bigger than this. This guy's still stuck on the fence. If he gets interrupted, he will move. I'll just get him out of the road. There you go, buddy. I'm not going to keep doing this for you though. You're going to have to figure out how to get around fences on your own one day. Let's see if we can get in there and... Oop, there we go. I was going to say, if I bring the player over, I can probably drag the horde over to him. So I might do that now. Actually, I don't even need to. He would have done that himself. I'll turn the gizmos back on too, just so you can sort of see the pathfinding and what's going on. That's the pathfinding grid there. Yeah, we'll turn the paths back on. I might just make them a bit easier to see. So you watch when this guy shoots, all the paths should update to him, same as the player. See here the tag attached to the bullet as it flies. The NPC skins are all generated randomly from from the list of them provided with the assets. Yeah. All in all, I think it's pretty cool. A fair bit of polish that needs to go into it, obviously. A bit of work to be done. Oh yeah, something I forgot to mention. If the players are outnumbered, so I think it's about 6 zombies or so around them, they will make a run for it. Currently they just head back to their spawn location, which stops them sort of running all over the place and just getting killed needlessly. As they run off, the count decreases, so they will shoot at the zombies, which I think is pretty cool. And as you can see as well, all the NPCs have their own torches. So yeah, that's about all there is to it at the moment. Some cool little stuff. I'm hoping to get like a little demo build up and going shortly, so I might get that one out there. Yeah, thanks for watching.